What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Jish and here we have what has to be one of the coolest Rurocs out to date. This is the Ruroc Atlas 3.0 DC Batman collab helmet. When I was told about this helmet, I was really unsure how I felt about it, being a huge DC Batman fan. But guys, this helmet really does just speak for itself. It's the little hints of gold, the carbon fibre showing through, and just the comic style of everything that's going on in this design. That's why I think this helmet right here is the best looking one they've ever done. Matched up with the gold visor, it definitely looks the part. Just like all the other 3.0s, you've got size-specific shells, meaning that if you've got a large head, you're going to have a large shell, and if you've got a smaller head, you're going to have a small shell. They are pretty much tailored to your head size. And just like all the other helmets, you get a black visor straight out the box. It comes with the all-new liner, as well as the emergency pull cheek pads and the world-famous fidlock. So overall, I think this is a really cool-looking helmet. I think they've done a really good job with the collaboration with DC Universe and obviously the Batman franchise. This is a very special helmet. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I will comment down below. And yes, Ruroc did send me this helmet out to tell you guys exactly what I think about this helmet. I'm not gonna hide anything from you guys, hand on heart. I will always give you my full honest review and input on these things. And overall, I think it's a really cool helmet. You'll find all the information down below, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the little cinematic at the start, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.